This video shows how to check the status, add services, view details or summary of an EMS web app reservation using My Events. You will learn how to check statuses, add services, view detail or summary view, and return to My Events. Log in to EMS with your NetID and password. Authenticate with Duo. On the upper left side, select My Events. Select a current reservation from the list. The Reservation Details window opens, showing booking details. From here, you can add services, which is located in the upper right side. Select Add Services. Select the GPC technology you need. Enter any special instructions if required. Then click on OK. Click on Next Step, located in the upper right side. Select the date or dates to add services for. Then click on Add Services in the upper right side. The dates selected can be viewed by scrolling through the bookings. You can view the summary of the reservation by selecting View Reservation Summary. The detailed view of the reservation summary is where you can view the specific information for each date of the reservation. You can also select the Summary View, which shows the basics of the reservation. When finished viewing the reservation, select CETS, Service Request, for classes. When finished, select My Events, located in the upper left side. From here, you can create a new reservation, select another reservation to view under My Events, or log out. If you have any questions, call us at 202-687-7491. Stop by our office in ICC 121, or send us an email at cets@georgetown.edu.